Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we dive into an exciting development in the world of smartwatches. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is generating a lot of buzz with its leaked features and anticipated release. If you're an outdoor enthusiast or a tech-savvy athlete, you won't want to miss what this new smartwatch brings to the table. Let's explore everything you need to know about the Fenix 8 Pro, its groundbreaking innovations, and why it might just redefine premium sports watches. A game-changing display. Imagine a smartwatch with a display that's not only brighter but also more efficient. According to recent leaks, the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro might feature MicroLED technology. This revolutionary display offers significant advantages for outdoor use, including superior brightness and power efficiency. Whether you're running a marathon under the blazing sun or hiking through dense forests, this display ensures unparalleled visibility without compromising battery life. For context, the current Fenix 8 already boasts impressive battery performance, with up to 48 days on certain models. With MicroLED, the Pro version could push these limits even further. The sharp visuals and enhanced durability of this display make it a standout feature for athletes who demand the best. Cutting-edge health tracking. Garmin has always been a leader in health monitoring, and the Fenix 8 Pro is set to raise the bar. The leaks suggest the inclusion of the Elevate Gen 6 heart rate sensor, which goes beyond basic tracking. Expect continuous ECG monitoring, real-time heart stress data, and advanced metrics like lactate threshold and HRV, heart rate variability readings. These features aren't just for show. They're designed to help athletes train smarter. Imagine having precise data on your cardiovascular performance during a workout or getting a detailed sleep analysis to optimize recovery. The Fenix 8 Pro's advanced sensors make it a powerful tool for those serious about their health and fitness goals. Slimmer, tougher design. While the Fenix series is known for its ruggedness, the Fenix 8 Pro might take things to a whole new level. Thanks to the MicroLED technology, the watch could feature a slimmer design without sacrificing durability. Leaks indicate two size options, 47mm and 51mm, similar to the current models. However, the Pro version is expected to include subtle design enhancements, making it even more versatile for various outdoor activities. The current Fenix 8 already includes handy features like a flashlight and microphone. With the Pro version, we might see upgrades such as brighter flashlights and improved voice detection, adding to the watch's functionality in challenging environments. Satellite connectivity. One of the most exciting rumors surrounding the Fenix 8 Pro is the potential for satellite connectivity. This feature could be a game-changer for ultrarunners, hikers, and adventurers who venture into remote areas. Imagine being able to send messages or make calls even in locations with no cellular service. While the specifics are still under wraps, such a feature would significantly enhance the watch's appeal for outdoor enthusiasts, a legacy of innovation. To understand the significance of the Fenix 8 Pro, let's take a quick look at Garmin's history with the Fenix series. Since its debut in 2017, the series has consistently pushed boundaries. The Fenix 5 introduced a robust design, while the Fenix 6 added solar charging and expanded storage. The Fenix 7 brought multi-band GNSS with Sat-IQ, flashlight features, and 32GB storage. Each iteration has been more than just an upgrade. It's been a leap forward in smartwatch technology. The Fenix 8 Pro continues this trend, promising meaningful advancements that go beyond mere cosmetic changes. Advanced training tools. For athletes, training smarter often means leveraging cutting-edge tools, and the Fenix 8 Pro doesn't disappoint. Its rumored features include real-time lactate threshold analysis and continuous ECG monitoring during workouts. These metrics provide valuable insights into your performance, helping you optimize your training regimen. Additionally, the watch could offer more accurate HRV readings during sleep, giving you a clearer picture of your recovery and overall well-being. These features aren't just gimmicks. They're designed to help you achieve your fitness goals with precision. Competitive pricing. While Garmin has yet to officially announce the pricing, the Fenix 8 Pro is expected to sit at a premium level. The standard Fenix 8 starts at $1,100, so the Pro version will likely command a higher price point. However, the advanced features and innovations make it a worthwhile investment for serious athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. The role of competition. Garmin's decision to innovate aggressively with the Fenix 8 Pro is likely influenced by competition. Apple's Ultra series and other premium smartwatch offerings have raised the stakes. By introducing features like micro-LED displays and satellite connectivity, Garmin is ensuring it stays ahead of the curve. Release timeline. Garmin typically follows an 18 to 24-month refresh cycle for its Fenix series. However, the quick succession of leaks after the Fenix 8 launch suggests the Pro version could arrive sooner. If the rumors hold true, we might see an official announcement in the coming months. This timing aligns perfectly with Garmin's strategy to capitalize on new technology and stay ahead in the market. Final thoughts. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is shaping up to be a game-changer in the world of premium sports watches. With innovations like micro-LED displays, advanced health monitoring, and potential satellite connectivity, it promises to set new standards. Whether you're an ultrarunner, triathlete, or outdoor enthusiast, this watch offers features that cater to your needs. As we await the official announcement, one thing is clear: Garmin isn't content with just leading the market. They're pushing to redefine what a premium sports watch can do. So, if you're considering upgrading your smartwatch, it might be worth holding off until the Fenix 8 Pro arrives. Stay tuned for more updates and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.